At night, the city's arteries pulse with a river of red light, a testament to the sheer scale of modern urban transportation.
As the vehicle accelerates, the red vectors illustrate the downforce and rolling resistance on the tires. Notice how they shift during braking and cornering.
Carbon black, an essential component in tires and plastics, creates one of the finest and most challenging dusts known. Once the mixing cycle is complete, the massive door retracts, dropping the steaming rubber onto the conveyor system.
In extreme macro, the uniformity of the vulcanized rubber is evident. A subtle oily residue gives it that characteristic high-gloss finish. Spun at extreme velocities, this copper wire forms the backbone of our high-speed world, a testament to industrial precision.
Welcome to the future of manufacturing. Here, in this pristine environment, the next generation of tires.
Utilizing laser technology, the alignment of the massive rubber drum is calibrated to the micron, critical for high-speed manufacturing.
With the press of a single button, the system initializes, bringing the entire production line online.
Harnessing immense pressure, the drum expands, giving birth to the iconic donut shape we know as the tire.
Here we see the green tire, the raw, uncured rubber, smooth and sticky before the vulcanization process begins. Behold the future of manufacturing. Hundreds of these specialized green tires traverse the
The needle trembles at the precipice of the red line, a stark visual representation of the immense power.
Utilizing advanced automation, the soft green tire is carefully placed within the heavy metal press, preparing it for vulcanization.
Within this labyrinth of cold steel lies the negative space. Driven by immense hydraulic power, the massive lid descends rapidly, locking tight to form a perfect, impenetrable seal.
The intense heat causes the water to dance and boil, a phenomenon known as the Leidenfrost effect, where the droplets evaporate instantly.
Fresh from the curing press, the tire emits a plume of steam as it rolls along the automated conveyor system.
We're seeing clear evidence of crystallization at the molecular level. This changes the timeline significantly.
Utilizing advanced X-ray technology, the system scans the steel belts, revealing the intricate weave of the wires inside.
Spun up to 200 kilometers per hour, the massive steel roller applies immense pressure, pushing the structure.
The hydraulic plunger applies immense pressure, demonstrating the tire's remarkable elasticity as it deforms and then rebounds.
In this ultra-modern facility, the final touches are applied. The robotic arm ensures perfect placement of the energy.
The sheer scale of modern logistics is evident in this seemingly infinite sea of tires. The heavy-duty forklift maneuvers its load with precision, essential for moving thousands of tires across the massive warehouse floor. The specialized tread design powers through the deluge, displacing water in a dramatic, precisely engineered arc to maintain critical traction.
ground level, the sheer velocity is overwhelming. These machines blur the line between control and chaos, pushing the limits of human endurance.